Sport car shipping. Sports cars, exotic cars, classic cars, antique cars, and vintage cars all need special accommodations in order to be shipped safely. The cost to repair damage to these types of vehicles can be incredibly pricey, creating a much more stressful situation than it should be. Auto transport is intended to take the headaches out of relocating your car, not create more. This is why it is absolutely vital to ensure that the auto shipping company you are working with is reliable and has the necessary experience to handle the transport of sports vehicles. Sports cars necessitate special care before, during, and after transport, and ship vehicles can provide you with the options you need. Enclosed auto shipping is often your best bet when it comes to shipping a sports car, as it will be protected from rain, snow, air, heat, sunlight, etc. Although you can certainly choose open-air transport, the most affordable and popular method to ship a car, this service is never recommended for sport cars or any vehicle of an especially high value. Sports cars are considered a luxury, meaning they require much more care than your standard vehicle. This is why we always recommend and why most sport car owners choose to use enclosed carriers. Call us today at 888-231-0113.